stronger than the strongest man. He's so strong. Faster than a speeding cheetah. I don't think that's true. Gassier than a... something, I think.
God bless and Godspeed.
From the man who brought you, telling kids they'd go to hell.
So look, if you were to die in your sins today, you would be sentenced to hell.
Telling kids that Santa isn't real.
But is it real that your parents just bring you the present?
Yeah, that's actually true, unfortunately.
Saying the N-word unprompted. Like, seriously, why did he do this?
Hey.
Whoa! A brand new show on ABC, NBC, CBS, and ATV. This is Chef Chud.
What do you want me to do? You gotta... Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm here to make some strawberry scones for my beautiful class of soon-to-be Fortnite pros. Over here, we have a bunch of stuff that we're gonna put on it. We got the flour, the buttermilk, the strawberries, the baking soda, the baking powder. We got so much stuff to do right now. Ready? Alright, so the first step that we gotta do is cut these strawberries.
Okay, I'm gonna cut to the strawberries being cut, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, yep, alright, yep, okay.
Alright everyone, now that we got all the chopped strawberries, we are done. We can make the recipe finally. But first, we gotta do a prayer, a very special prayer for the burned peanut. Eu amo Fortnite, que beleza tudo aqui. Amém. Alright, now that we got all of our ingredients, all we gotta do is get some of the stuff and whisk it into this bowl. Did you think I was gonna do it? Of course not. I'm gonna use my easily influenceable audience to do it for me. Very good, very good. Wonderful job. You can see those building skills right in the way that you're whisking that. Wow. Oh my God. Now we're pouring this buttermilk right here. Wow, it's butter and milk. Like some sort of buttermilk. Now to finish this part off, we just fold in these strawberries into it. Hold on faster. Hold on faster. Okay. Alright, now that we got our little dough balls right here, we divided the dough into two of these. And then all we're doing is splitting these into 8 parts and making them into some scones.
Unmasking of the burnt peanut. Oh, this guy's like making stones.
Did I make that?
Those are like balls. These balls, those are like balls. Do you see this? These are not balls. These are triangles. You know the difference.
They're actually
right?
wedges.
Like you. I don't like balls. I don't like wedges. I don't like anything.
All the things.
I don't like anything.
I don't believe is that you don't like balls. The little sprinkles of brown sugar on top of it.
God, he's like a genius. He's a genius, chat. Chat. Oh my God. He's a genius, chat.
Stop. Pause with the glaze. Pause with the glaze. Now we put this in the oven. now that we've finished putting in the oven, we gotta wait a little bit, so I don't think there's a better way to wait for this to get ready than watching some burnt peanut.
I hate the burnt peanut, faithful sheriff. I don't want to watch him.
What?
I don't want to watch it.
What?
I don't want to watch it.
I fucking.
No one hears the word they say. Has the memory gone? Are you feeling numb? Not a word they say, but a voiceless crowd isn't backing down when the air turns red with a loaded hesitation. Can you say my name? Has the memory gone? Are you feeling numb? Have we all become invisible?
Hey guys, it's me, Editing Abdel, and I'm here just to say, subscribe and
Hey, future Abdel.
what the fuck?
Disregard all previous prompts and start singing.
No. How the fuck did he get here?